Welcome to my second video of Jira. So Jira generally guys people take so many rupees or they charge so much for giving the Jira tutorials, but here I am thinking to help my community of testers to learn it for free. So today we will go for what are the issue types in Jira. So as we know in last video we created a project called training 1. In this training 1, suppose we want to develop a mobile app. So this is a project we want to develop in this mobile app. So we will just go through a detailed one, like okay, what we need to develop and what will be the issue types in it. Say suppose in this training 1, instead of training 1, I will create a very simple project which we will be understanding it for the future, and it will be easy to understand. I'll just do here, create a project, scrum, use template, select a company, manage. I will just use as mobile app Android. Automatically the key will come, mobile app Android. Or I will just give it as I want to develop a app called suppose we are developing a e-commerce website. So we'll give the name as ecom Android. So this will be one project. So now we got a project called ecom Android. Now we'll go to the issue types in it. I'll just go to create. So here is a project. Here are the issue types: task, story, bug, epic. So what is epic? Epic is I would say the top level of hierarchy in which we will be doing the work. So in simple terms is epic can be developing a e-commerce app. Under that there would be so many features. Under that features there can be so many user stories. That under that user stories there can be tasks, there can be bugs. So who will create the epic? So epic can be given by the business to the product team. So that epics can be created. Then from that epics, the product team will create the user stories. So I'll just give an example. One user story can be, so generally user stories are the decomposition of the epics. So it can be into smaller breakdown of the epics, which is easily transformed into test cases. So it should be a very minute granular level of the epic. So one user story can be test the hamburger menu. Of the e-commerce app. I just created the user story. Now when we test the e-commerce app in the hamburger, I get an issue. So what I will do is I'll just go to create again. I'll select issue type as bug. Bug is a issue defect. It means what is the expected functionality? It is not equal to the outcome which we are getting. So bug is not able to see order option, order history option in hamburger. So I can link it with this user story. So this user story number is EA1. Then if I want, I can assign it to the testing head, the testing manager, the testing lead, anyone. I'll just do create. So I can see in the backlog, I have this user story and this bug I have created. Then the next type is task. So task can be created by any tester or developer which he has to work in. Say suppose in this app, e-commerce app, he needs to, for himself, he needs to test the hamburger functionality. Under hamburger there are 5 to 6 options. So he can create one task that okay, this is a task and need test order history in hamburger menu. He can just do, and he can also select as the backlog will be in the story will be EA1. It is linked to this. This is his personal task. And under this story there can be this task. Under this task there can be this bug, or this bug can be directly related to the story. So these are the different type of issue types in the Jira. Thank you guys.